Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power. Batteries or the AC adapter must be in place so the motor can run consistently. Once done, set the clock on a level surface to avoid card rubbing. Next, make sure the flip cards move freely, clear dust with a soft brush if needed. Now reach the time set dial or rear knob and turn gently. You are advancing the mechanism slowly to align the first hour card. Doing this prevents skipped flips and keeps long-term accuracy. You now set time precisely by advancing the dial in short, controlled bursts to avoid stressing internal gears. As you move, watch the minute cards transition and stop exactly on the desired minute before proceeding to the hour. This ensures each flip panel seats properly. Once minutes are correct, continue to the hour and confirm the AM or PM indicator lines up. This matters for alarms. Make small corrections rather than large, rapid turns, so the gear. You finish by letting the flip clock run for 10 to 15 minutes while observing every transition to confirm smooth flipping and steady timekeeping. If a card sticks, unplug power first, then gently clear debris and realign the stuck card before reconnecting power. If flipping skips or the clock runs fast/slow, check the motor voltage or the AC adapter output. Variance can cause timing drift. For persistent mechanical issues, replace the flip module or consult a repair technician to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.